Hi everyone, JP, and let's look at our flower shop amended. And when I say amended, I talk about something that I left out or I made a mistake. Reviewing what we've done and looking again at the video, I see that we work with the mobile menu. We assigned a mobile menu, we styled it, but we did not assign it. In this video, let's quickly go and assign it, just so you know how that is done. And then also we can think maybe of a few other changes, if there's anything interesting that we can do with that. Let's log into our site, and then we go and look at what we can do with our mobile header and how it currently displays. Quickly just again visit our site so I can show you what we are going to run into when we want to go into mobile view over here, and then my features, and I put it on the iPhone X. So up here on our desktop version, we have our links, and they scroll very nicely to the different sections that we have set on our page. We've anchored them with our anchor links. However, what we had forgotten to do was to set a menu for our mobile link. So if you go over here to the mobile display and I click on the hamburger menu, you'll see assign menu to this location. It hasn't been done. And that is done within the menu settings within WordPress. So let's close out. Let's go to our flower shop dashboard, and then we go set those settings for the mobile menu. Go over here to appearance, go to menus, and we've only created one menu, which is fine. And then you go here to the display location. This is regulated, the integration between the theme and WordPress, and the header menu is the one that appears at the top. But for your mobile header menu, we also have to assign it. If we were to create a footer at the bottom that will include a menu as well, we will tick this one off as well. So let's save the menu. And then we go again back to our flower shop to visit it, our own shop. And let's activate the interactiveness again for our responsiveness. And let's see now. There we go. So we click on it. It will scroll very nicely through it. Featured products. Great. So we have achieved that, and our menu has been set. And that's how easy you can set a menu both here for your desktop display, primary location, and also for your mobile display. Out of pure curiosity, I want to see if we can make this a little bit transparent, the background. So let's go into our customizer, close out here, and then we click customize, and I collapse that. And then there's a more recent autosave. Good, got that. Go to header, and you're going to wonder where are the settings for our mobile display and our mobile menu. You have to activate it down here by first going to the responsiveness displays for tablet and phone. So let's click here on the tablet, and now you will see it pops up here, the mobile main bar and the mobile drawer. That is the pop-up we want to look at. Just click here and you see the pop-up. So let's click on that. And what I want to do is going down here to colors, just to see if I can make that transparent. And indeed I can. Okay, so a little like that. Let's see how that plays out for us. I just want to have a little bit of transparency, you know, to make it look la-di-da. Publish our work. And then we close it. And we are back on the front end. Let's get our responsiveness views out here. And the phones, click on it, and there's a little bit of transparency. Maybe not the best decision, because you can see we've got a little bit of contrast clash there at the back. I can increase the opacity a little bit, or I can just keep it opaque the whole way through. It's an interesting way if you want to change that. If you haven't watched the whole tutorial for the Flower Shop landing page, check in the description below. We have a link to the whole video there, and then more videos to come in the next few days, where we will look at other things that we can change, improve, and add to our Flower Shop landing page.